How to reset the Tenda A18 Wi-Fi extender to factory default settings. Reset button. It is used to restore the extender to factory default. Wi-Fi network name, Tenda A18. Default access, re.tenda.cn. It's the default login domain name of the extender. To reset Tenda A18. If you forgot your password and can't access the Tenda A18, you may perform a router reset to restore factory defaults. Plug your repeater to a power outlet. Press and hold the reset button down using a paper clip or a needle, and release it when all the LED indicators blink once, then turn off. Wait until the power LED indicator lights solid on again. The repeater will reboot automatically. The Tenda A18 has been reset and is ready to use. The extender has been restored to factory default successfully.